Hi. How's it going, guys? My name is Nazreen, and welcome to Freelance with Web Design, a channel which I share tips, tricks, and processes about freelancing specifically for web design. Okay, so today I'm gonna share with you something about responsive web design. I guess if you were to look into the internet, you should know what exactly is responsive. But for those who don't know, responsive web design is basically a website. Okay, a website that is compatible in all devices. Very simple to understand. So that means if you use a tablet, if you use a mobile, if you use any form of devices, it needs to look it needs to correspond to how it looks based on individual devices, individual screen sizes, and individual interface. So doesn't what I meant by that is basically it's how it looks and how it feel when you are browsing, basically your browsing experience. So this usually affects user experience when they come to a website. It might affect the way they feel, the way they navigate around the website. So I will show you a little bit on how to know whether the website is responsive or not. It is a very simple way that you can do. I'm showing this example based if you are using Mac, but you can also do this in Windows as well. So I take reference from Google Chrome browser. If you are using Internet Explorer, I think it was the same too. But come on, guys, just jump and use Google Chrome, or the least is Mozilla Firefox. These are the two main browsers that are frequently used in this day and age. Okay, so this is our website, Freelance Web with Web Design. If you are not here yet, you can just go in, and then it is a story about myself, how I got started with freelancing, and so on. So how I know this is a responsive website, I do right click, okay, and then I'll just go inspect. So when you inspect, you can see this developer tools. Okay, there's so many developer tools over here. There's so many codes, you might be blur of what exactly are they, but you don't need to worry about all these things. What you need to worry is just clicking this icon, toggle device toolbar. Click on it, it will turn into this. Okay, so if you look into how it looks right now, it is responsive to 425 to 867 pixels. So this one is exactly what it looks exactly like how you see in mobile. Okay, there's even this is large mobile, medium mobile, and small mobile, but no one uses small mobile anymore. But we can just take a look. If you are using small mobile, it will look like this, and then medium and large. You can even like go to extent to select iPhone X. Yeah, this is how iPhone X look like, the exact dimension. If you have an older iPhone, as maybe iPhone 5, yeah, it looks like that because it is slightly shorter. And if you use Pixel 2 XL, yeah, the point is it looks nice. It looks very much simple and easy to digest. The text is readable, the colors, and there's no menu protruding like the main desktop side. Okay, because if you look at the desktop side, okay, you can hover here. This is tablet look, okay, and then this is a laptop look. Okay, so if you see, I have this tree menu navigation, which can actually lead to anchor different part of the page. So but in mobile it looks like that. Okay, you can click, and then there is this tree menu navigation. Okay, and it is something which this is a simple example of a responsive web design. So at this day and age, if your website is not responsive, then there are many disadvantages. Okay, your visitors might just leave the website because they don't feel that you take the effort to make sure it is you have a good experience browsing the website, and they might leave, so your bounce rate might be affected. Okay, so and another example, which another disadvantage is you look bad, you give a bad reputation of the company, or when you have a unresponsive website. So yeah, that's about it about responsive. I guess this is going to be a short video. I hope you get something out of it, and should you have anything, you can comment below. Remember to subscribe, remember to comment and like this video if you find this is a valuable one, and don't forget to add me on LinkedIn, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.